go to higher elevations, and sometimes the roads aren't that great. So I thought I would go ahead and take you guys along with me to show you what some of these roads are like. I'm sure a lot of you Jeepers already know, already seen a lot worse in this, but this is just for a camp out this weekend. We are doing some research up here. We've been up here for day use only, 2 weekends in a row, and decided that this back area where we're going to today is a great area. So that's where I'm headed. I'm actually 2 hours late, but at least I'm making it, and that's what counts when you're doing this research. I do want to thank everybody for watching my videos, but if you could do me a solid, could you give me a follow and a like? You know, show some love. Your boy here is just trying to, you know, share some of his camping, hiking, and Bigfoot research with everybody. So if you could just show some love. I'm trying to make better videos for hiking and camping and the research part to make it interesting. So, you know, show your boy some love. Again, hit that like button or subscribe button and follow button, you know, depending on what social media platform you're watching this on. I would really appreciate it. So right there was actually about the worst part of the journey right now. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little 3.5 minute video. I'm gonna make some more videos as I get to the area that we cleared out so we could go camping.